Hello and welcome to the garden. Let's dig in. So this is the high season of lily flowering. It's mid-season now, and I have more than 200 different cultivars, named cultivars, which are flowering at the moment. But we're not going to go them through one by one because we don't have that time. So this first one is Tiger Babies. It's a lovely TA hybrid, so it's a hybrid between Trumpets and Asiatics. And this hybrid was created by Judith Freeman from Columbia Plata Lilies. It's a lovely, lovely cultivar. These TAs are also very nice, with a good bud count, very thick stems, good healthy foliage. And Amethyst Temple is in bloom now. You can see this extremely tall one. It's more than 200 centimeters tall. The Regale and Regale album is in flower. I have this year's record is 23 flowers on Regale and 17 on Regale album. So that's quite a lot. Child in Time, it's an OA hybrid, November Rain OA hybrid, and my all-time favorite, Avalon Sunset, also OA hybrid. This one is Grazule, and this one is Abaddon, and Abaddon has stem bulblets, and it has malformed stamens. Persona Grata, and my alliums in flower. This one is Cernum, this one is Cernum album, and Allium ceruleum is in flower, and some of the plants have bulbils. I don't know if you can see that. And this is one of my seedlings, and I really like it because it has a nice triangular inflorescence. The flower isn't bad, but I'm still hesitating to do anything with it. And this one is my other favorite, LA hybrid Trebbiano, and this one is Nashville, also LA hybrids. And this is Eastern Morn, and I have 24 buds on this stem, so that's a new record for me. It has a lovely fragrant trumpet shaped flower. This one is another favorite of mine, Morpho Pink, bred by Brian Bergman from Canada, and you can see it's just all flowers. Well, I would be more happy if Regale would have a raceme type inflorescence instead of an umbel, but whatever. We can't have everything from life. Okay. So this yellow one is Yellow Planet. It has an upright flower, trumpet. And the orange tea is Buzzin, and the yellow one is Fuenta. I also have White County, and some other Asiatics, Red County, I don't know this one, I have to check the name tag. Red Life, it's a very nice red one, but it needs some time to establish itself. And Yellow Bruise, it's an Asiatic hybrid, tetraploid Asiatic from the United States, I believe, yes. Rosella's Dream. It's a very nice tetraploid, but under my conditions the flowers fade. This one is, I have to check, Easy Spot. It starts this yellowish and then fades to ivory white and then white. Easy Waltz. Double Sensation. I only have this one plant in flower. Bentley, very nice double. It gets sunburned sometimes. And what's this? So this pink one is Little Kiss. Oh, I have to weed also. Some weeds are coming through the mulch. So this one is Strogon. The Strawberry Event. Pearl Justian or Justin. Pink Flight. And this one is Menton. It's an LA hybrid and it's slightly fragrant. And this one is Bright Diamond, an LA hybrid. And this one is Royal Sunset, also an LA hybrid. Some of my seedlings. Forever Suzanne. And the red one is, I believe it's Trendy Havana. And it looks nice. Lots of flowers. Because we keep ornamental plants to have flowers for the most part, and some ornamental foliage. Corsage is opening its last flowers, and this one is TA hybrid Night Rider. I still have a lot of buds to open on the OT hybrids, and this one is a tetraploid form of Rising Moon. There are triploids and tetraploids. I'm sorry, I hope I said triploid because it doesn't set seed. All the dwarf Asiatics still in bloom for the most part. And my favorite yellow TA for this time is Kesla with the beautiful inflorescence, and LLA hybrid Deliana. And so there's sometimes the trumpet is not fully formed, and I think it's because of a virus, because I saw the same in Formosanum pricei. Yellow cocotte, white cocotte and orange cocotte is already flowered. Masses of LA hybrids. Some LAs, trumpets, OTs. This one is Night Rider. This one I really like, it's Sunderland, but you can also see there are some virus symptoms on the tepals. And it's orange, so strange. This one is Couplet, and it has definitely a virus in it. Beverly Gold, it's a new one, but it gets sunburned in Hungary. And Hawk, oh no, Dutch Princess. It's a lovely double one, but it also gets sunburned. Fata Morgana, it's an old reliable cultivar. And this one is Double Love. And this one is Tintoretto. It's a new one from Flatter and Han. And you can see there are mixed other cultivars in. Some of the cultivars I received from the Baltics. Look at this amazing color. Beautiful. And so when I'm finished with the video, I have to collect pollen. This is also very nice. Well, it's hard to find an ugly lily, at least for me. Just amazing that I have managed to collect more than 700 lily cultivars, and most of them will flower this year. So it's very nice. Look at this color. Undescribable, beautiful. This one too. And this is also one of my favorites, Miracle. It's a dwarf longiflorum. And this one is Prime Ice. And the old one was repotted in the same soil and it didn't go well. These are the small bulbs which have been planted. Avalon Sunset and seedlings. I had to repot a few because they were getting really big. These are the small ones, and I think I'm going to finish up. Thank you for being here. See you next time in the garden. Bye bye.